Okay, so today is the first video blog of Party of the Dawn, May 5th, 2011. Today is Saturday, April 9th, and the first order of business for the party is to do a sound check over at the party location, which is 1010 Osage. So I'm going to head over there here in a few minutes on my bike, and we'll get things going. Okay, so we're here at 1010 Osage House, and just checking out the speakers, making sure they're going to work okay. I think we're going to be able to have some pretty high quality sound without them getting in the way of anything else, without taking up too much space. We've got some real speakers this year instead of just computer speakers like last year, so something to look forward to. Or wanting to have a much more live feeling to the party, a little more loud, a little more lively. So so just checking to make sure that you can't hear them too much outside, and because we want to not make the neighbors mad. So this is it. This is party room. It's gonna look 100% different party night, and we've got a lot of things in store. I've been working really hard this week on a lot of different things, and pretty soon we're gonna be in full swing, getting things together, getting people working. I think construction starts pretty soon on some different rooms here in the house, and prepare to have your minds blown out of the water. We're going to be able to accommodate probably twice as many people as we did last year, and all the good things about the party last year are going to be the same, but there's going to be a ton of new things, a lot of crazy new technologies, inventions. Like, I am so excited about this party. So, Party of the Dawn, May 5th, 10 o'clock p.m., 1010 Osage. Can't wait to see you there.
Now let me hear the